Now, let me be very honest with you. If your YouTube channel is not growing, it's not because the algorithm hates you. It's not because the topic you chose is too saturated. And it is not even because you started late. There are practical reasons why your YouTube is not growing. So today I'll be giving you 3 reasons why your YouTube channel is stuck, 3 reasons why your subscribers are not growing, 3 reasons why your video is not getting retention. And my name is Tekla Ezugu. If this is your first time coming to this channel, I want you to go ahead, like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be able to know any day and any time I upload a new tutorial. And now let's dive in. The number one reason why your channel is stuck is that your videos does not have a clear value. In today's age, YouTube no longer pushes video just because you posted a video. They push video because people are watching it, and people are watching it because they are getting value. So if you just posted a video and nobody is clear about what your video is for, from your thumbnail alone, people should be able to know what they are supposed to get from this video. And because you are still starting and then you just posted a video and nobody knows exactly what this video are, and when people click into your video, they can't even understand what you're saying. They cannot understand what the video is about. They are not getting value from the video. You don't expect them to stay and watch the video. There's a particular formula for this. If the videos that you actually create, you don't enjoy them when you watch it yourself, then think of another person. They are not going to enjoy it as well. So any video that you're actually posting, let it be something that you know that in your mind and in your spirit, this video is okay for even you, let alone a guest that does not know you. So make sure that your video has a clear value, your video has a clear message, your video is not too slow, your video is not blur, so that people can be able to watch it. YouTube does not care whether you started today or tomorrow. The most important thing they care about is that your video has retention. When people click in, do they actually stay? So any day that you want to post a video, I want you to sit down and ask yourself, this video that I want to create, is it solving a problem? Is it solving a problem in the sense that, is it educating somebody? Is it inspiring somebody? Is it making someone to laugh? If the video that you want to post is not doing any of these 3 things, your video is going nowhere. Any video you are posting on YouTube has to belong to these 3 things, which means that it is either educating somebody that is going to watch it, or it is inspiring somebody, or is making someone to laugh, laughing off their depression, right? So make sure that the video that you are creating has a clear value. Don't make your videos too long. Let it not take you 2 minutes to hit a particular point. You are trying to state something and you keep going round and round and round and wasting people's time before you hit a point that they can actually take in. So anytime you want to post a video, make sure that this video you want to post has clear value. Now, the second reason why your videos are stuck on YouTube is that you post once in a while. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes that small channels make. You post once in a month and nobody sees you again. You forget the fact that nobody has seen your face, nobody knows who you are. So you need to be consistent so that they can be able to recognize you. I know that people say things like, oh, posting consistently will not make YouTube to recognize you. See, if you are still starting out and you don't have big equipment, you don't have big things that you use to shoot your videos that makes your video extra special, your best bet is consistency. I've taken out my time to check big creators in my area, and one particular thing that I noticed is that they are consistent. For example, I'm going to use Mark Angel Comedy as an example. He posts video 2 to 3 times a day on his Facebook page. Mark Angel has grown. He's one of the top most YouTube paid people in Africa, and he is still very consistent, let alone you that is still starting, you that nobody knows. So stop posting once in a while. Post often so that people can actually get to know your video, and the earlier you post, YouTube can be able to recognize your video and know what this video is about and know the right people to actually push the video to. So before you get all caught up in I can post whenever I like, please remember that there are people that are very ready to take up your position. There are people that are posting every day, and posting once in a while is not going to make your channel to grow, because if people see you this month, before they see you again is next month, they will even forget who you are. Your video will automatically become new again. So post consistently and stop posting once in a while. Now, the third reason why your channel is stuck is that your videos don't hold attention. Someone will click into your video and then they will click away. They will leave. There are three reasons why they are going to leave, which is either your video quality is very slow, or your audio is not audible, and then there is too much talk. There are some people that when they post a video, they talk for so long, they are over explaining. For them to hit a particular point is a very big problem. So the ability for your videos to retain attention is very, very necessary for a small creator. Do everything you can to make sure that your videos are clear, the audios are audible, so that people can be able to see you and people can be able to hear what you are saying and understand. Nobody can comprehend what they don't hear and what they don't see, right? So these two factors are very important. So starting from today, make sure that your videos that you create are able to hold people's attention. If anytime you watch your own video, you just want to click away, you just want to go and continue what you are doing, then your videos are not up to date. You that is creating your video should be able to watch it and watch it for a long time. For example, in my first YouTube channel, I do post tutorials, and sometimes when I click into the video, I find myself watching the video as if I don't even know who uploaded this video. That literally shows that my videos have what? Retention, the ability for people to click in and stay. Now, this particular one is a bonus that I want to give you. This particular one will take your channel from zero to any amount of subscribers that you want to have. This is called YouTube education. You are still starting out on YouTube. Nothing changes the fact that anything that you want to do in life, there is already a particular way that you should do it. So when you come online on YouTube, don't do it the way you feel. If people are already succeeding on it, it shows that there is a way that it is done. If someone has ever done anything that you have done before, then there is a way to do it. Find that way. So when you are still starting out on YouTube, try to educate yourself on YouTube thumbnails, YouTube titles, hashtags, tags that you can actually use so that your video can be discovered. There are millions of videos on YouTube. I didn't say tens of videos. There are millions of videos on YouTube. So always think that your video is competing with all these videos that are already uploaded, and you have to stand out. And things that are going to make you to stand out are your thumbnails and then your titles. Your titles is going to help you to get found when people search for videos like yours. And then your hooks. Immediately people watch your video, do you start over explaining yourself? One of the worst ways to start your video in this day and time is to start your videos with something like this. Hi, my name is this, I am the that of the this, and then you're just there, the energy is not there, people are going to click away. You need to understand that people are not watching your videos because of who you are. They are watching your videos for the thing that they are getting from your video, for the value that they are actually getting from the video, from the problem that your video is solving for them. That is why they watch your video. So anytime that you want to post a video, have this at the back of your mind. And these are the three reasons why your videos are stuck, three reasons why your channels are stuck. So the next time that you want to create a video, ask yourself, does this video have a clear value? Does it have a clear message? Does it have a clear problem that it is solving? And don't make the mistake of posting once in a while when you're still starting, so that you can be recognized. And also make sure that this video that you are posting, you can be able to watch it to the end, let alone a guest that does not know you that is coming to watch the video. And once you do these three things, and also the bonus that I gave you, educate yourself on how to succeed on YouTube. YouTube will definitely push out your video, and you're going to move from being stuck to actually achieving a very maximum number of success in your YouTube channel. I am actually happy to have you on this channel. And which of these particular reasons do you think is the main reason why your channel is stuck? I want to see your thoughts in the comments. Comment down below and I'm going to reply to you. There are so many videos on this channel that you can actually watch and get value. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. If this is your first time coming to this channel, go ahead now to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that you can be able to know any day and any time I upload a new tutorial. And if you do not subscribe, you might not get to see us again.